Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Hedera and what happened since the last time that we talked about this chart. I think we were actually right in here, and the idea was that maybe in the next 2-3 days, even a week or two, we are going to have some sort of a consolidation, and we did get a move on the upside. Question is this actually a consolidation pattern or maybe a bit of a bullish setup, suggesting maybe the final low in Hedera is already up? So here is what I have in my mind. I'm thinking probably starting from this point, we are having 5 wave on the upside, something like this, 1 2 3 4 5 to about here, followed by that, yes, I believe this is an A B C flat structure, and then yet another 1 2 3 4 5 wave up. And well, so far these can be the sub waves for, you know what, an A B C zigzag, indicating we are dealing with a correction structure, and our move down unfortunately is not over yet. Do we have some more evidence suggesting the same? Maybe. Let's measure the current short-term bounce starting from here to about this point timing wise. How long is it taking for us to have the current move? About, let's say, 350 candlesticks. On the other hand, in only 200 candlesticks, we got this big move down. So from my point of view, this suggests, at least right now in this phase up in Hedera, bulls do not really have a whole lot of power, and odds are, again, we are in a correction structure, and after it's over, we may continue our move down. And this doesn't mean that from the current point we're going to get a move down. We certainly can do that, but here is another count. Maybe this is going to be like yet another ABC, and on a higher degree at that point, you are essentially having a WXY in form of a double zigzag. The points that I'm trying to make in Hedera in today's update is this. At the moment, we are under this important level, and also let's go on the 30-minute chart. Okay, as you can see in the recent phase down right in here, we took this important low, which will now make it extremely hard to find a complete 5 wave from this point to about this high, suggesting maybe we're not really, at least in the short term, as bullish as we all thought. And well, our move down might continue. And also, here is my final point. I believe in the short term there is a good chance that in here we are having a 5 wave impulsive structure down, and like we said that also in the previous update, this might be like an ABC flat. And well, on a higher degree, there's a very good argument to be made for this move down being in form of a 1 2 3 correction for 4. And well, what do you think is going to happen if this count is in play? Unfortunately, we are going to get yet another move down into wave 5. So for now in Hedera, this is going to be my primary case, and couple of things need to happen in order for me to change my mind. Chief among them is this: we need to see from the lowest low a very strong bounce back, maybe like a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up without a lot of overlapping of the waves, in order to, especially I would say, take this important high about 21 cents. If we do that, fair enough, at that point I'm going to change my tone about Hedera a bit. But in the short term, as long as I'm not seeing some strengths on the live chart, I'm not really going to be overwhelmingly optimistic, and I'm going to count on yet another move down. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in HBAR. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.